Good evening, everybody. My name is Alimat Ladipupo Jinadu, and welcome to Alima Sustainability Climate Go. Today is our first class, and we have 4 months to go. Are we excited? So, now is introduction to climate change. This planet needs us now more than ever. Now we move to our objective. What are we going to learn? Understand what climate change is, the difference between weather and climate, identify main causes of climate change, human and natural, being connecting climate change to local and daily experiences. Climate change. Climate change is a significant and lasting change in statistical distribution of weather pattern over a period ranging from decades to millions of years. It may be a change in average weather condition or distribution of events around that average, e.g., more or few extreme weather events. Now, what is weather and climate? Weather is a state of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. It includes factors such as temperature, humidity, precipitation. We have rain, snow, sleet, and hail, wind, cloud, cover, and atmospheric pressure. What is climate? Climate is the average weather condition in a specific region over a long period, typically 30 years or more. It includes the typical pattern of temperature, precipitation, humidity, wind, and other weather elements, as well as frequency of extreme events like drought, flood, and heat wave. We move on. Human activities that lead to climate change. So we have what are the human activities? So examples are the fossil fuel, burning coal, oil, and gas. It releases CO2, tapping it in the atmosphere. We have deforestation, waste burning, overconsumption. So all of these is increase the carbon footprint, and eventually, number three leads to the greenhouse gases and also causes global warming. And that is what we mean by climate change. So, this report reviewed the top most economic shock in Nigeria, which increased in price of farming, business input at 28.8%, floods at 8.8%, drought at 5.8%, pest and plant disease at 5.7%. So this report, I want you to have a look at it. The link is in the reference link. Then why does this matter? This is another example. United Kingdom. These reports show that over half of England's top quality agricultural land is at risk of flooding, with a further increase in total agricultural land at risk expected by 2050. Climate change also possesses a major threat to UK biodiversity at a time when it's degrading rapidly. Estimates suggest that unchecked climate change could impact UK economic output up to 7% of GDP by 2050, creating challenges for driving sustainable long-term growth across the country. Conclusion: climate change is our long-term pattern, while weather is the day-to-day experience. Although natural factors plays a role, today rapid changes are overwhelming, driven by human activities like fossil fuel burning, deforestation, overconsumption. The impacts rising cost, fuel, food consumption, and drought are already disrupting household and livelihood. To secure our future, we must act now. Reduce fossil fuel dependency, embrace sustainable living, and build community resilience. Every action matters. Think these are the references And thank you so much. See you in our next class.